all-time favorite, chocolate chip cookie with walnuts. It is super simple to make. I like it crispy on the outrage and soft and gooey inside. Here you go. I'm going to use my KitchenAid blender with the paddle attachment. And here you go. First, I'm going to add a stick of butter, which I have kept it out because I want it as in room temperature. Then I'm going to add that 1 cup of light brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and start the creaming process. My mixture is creamy. Now I'm going to add the egg and put it on again. Dry ingredients. I'm going to add everything other than the coffee and the chocolate chips. First, I'm going to add the flour, baking powder, and the baking soda. And start it again. Now the best part, I'm going to add all the chocolate chips. First, the white chocolate goes in. Then, the dark chocolate. Then, the walnuts. And last is the coffee. After you mix all this, you don't want to mix it too much because coffee is going to make the whole mixture or the dough look very dark. So just mix it for about a minute. You must be thinking I'm adding way too much of chocolate chips. But you know what? There's never too much of chocolate chips. I like to work the dough a little bit and kind of form it into a log and refrigerate it for about an hour. The refrigeration helps it to combine everything together. And then we will be ready to cut it into cookie shapes and bake it. I have a surprise! Ta-da-da! I'm going to make a skillet cookie. It's almost dinner time and I need something substantial for a dessert. So like a big giant cookie. Good, right? So I'm going to spread the dough and this, just stretch it out. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 18 minutes at 300. Okay, this has been in the refrigerator for over an hour. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut about half an inch and use my fingers to give it a form and place it in the baking sheet covered with a parchment paper. You can freeze this log longer and cut it and bake it whenever you want. Here you go, chocolate chip cookies with walnut. It was in the oven for 20 minutes at 300. I am going to arrange it in this cutting board. And I am ready for the skillet one. Here is the skillet one. This is my husband's favorite. I scoop out some vanilla ice cream and put it on top. Voila. I'm going to have one with my coffee. And I'm going to keep the rest in an airtight container for the week ahead. Especially mid-afternoon around 3 o'clock when I feel that urge of having little something with my coffee. This is perfect. See you next Friday.